So I've got the Neewer NW088 boom pole. It's aluminum craft built. I'm not going to do a review on this boom pole. It's more of a beginner boom pole. But in the middle of working one day, it just separated and it wouldn't lock. So I'm just going to show you how you can remove the lock and put the inner rings inside there to keep it secure and locked. Because right now it's just sliding back and forth and it won't stop. Uh, quick thing, it doesn't come with any spare parts. I called Neewer and they were actually good enough to send me parts, 15 bucks. I got it. And they send you 3 of each section. This is a 5-section boom pole that has 4 locking knobs, and they actually send you 3 of each. So I'm going to go ahead now and show you how you can replace that real quick. So these are the 4 locking mechanisms on this Neewer boom pole. Comes with 4 of them. Like I said, there's 3 of each one that they send you. What you're trying to place is this inner part right here. That's it that you're replacing. Notice it has one part that's actually open, and that's the part that you're going to use to wrap around the pole when you're replacing this. It's inserted in this way, and it actually has a little, you'll feel it when it snaps into place. So let's get started with how to replace that. So what I would do was actually find the section that you want to replace, which is this one. This is the second one from the bottom. And then extend the pole all the way out until it's separated here. Place the opening where the lines here is actually pointed to the top of the boom pole, or the end where you're going to put the microphone. And just slide this on. Simply place this over that ring. You notice when you're about to join it, it actually gets snug inside of the bottom pole. Then you could just screw that ring right on top of it. I like to push the pole a little bit inside of it so you can see it before I tighten it to see if it's going to tighten. Good to go. So that's a wrap on how to go ahead and replace the inner O-ring on the locking mechanism for the Neewer boom pole.